Hey there, guys. It's your favorite agent, Alex Wright, with The Wright Realty Group, powered by eXp. I'm over here in McKinney, Texas, and wanted to take a quick minute today to talk about the hot topic, the 50-year mortgage. So, overall, this has been floated over the last couple of days. The Trump administration's also going through and looking at some other options on portable loan terms. More to follow later this week. But the 50-year term versus the 30-year term, my take on it is going to be, for most people, it's not going to be a good option. So right now, everybody's probably gone through and seen the stats. I'll leave a couple ones in the comments to this video. Average $400,000 home, you're going to be looking at a monthly payment without taxes and insurance, probably around $2,300 a month if you're putting the minimum down on like an FHA loan, 3.5%. If you go through and do the same term over a 50-year note, you're probably going to be looking at saving $200, maybe $300 a month. The catch to that is that's if both interest rates are the same, so 6% to 6%, or if the 50-year term, when it comes out, if it's going to be a 50-year term, it's more risk to the banks, probably going to be higher. Could be 6.5, could be 7. Nobody knows. It's not a program yet. For most of our buyers, what that's going to end up washing out to is you may save a nominal $100, $150 a month to be tied up to another 20-year term. Again, in my opinion, the risk in that type of program is probably not worth the reward. If we're going to go through and save a little bit of money on a monthly payment and we're that close to the barrier, to the standard, it might be better to go through and wait and save up a little bit more to be able to qualify for a 30-year, because the savings monthly does not add up to almost paying 50 to 70 or more percent over the course of the note. The big issue, the big thing that I see with a lot of the conversations going on is most people refinance or sell within 5 to 7, 7 to 10 years. If we go back, I've been licensed for 9 years here, almost 10 here in Dallas-Fort Worth. Prior to COVID, the average age of homeownership for somebody to stay in their home since really the 90s was about 7 to 10 years. You had some people with forced relocations, that number was less. You had others nationally that the number was more. They bought, they stayed 10, 15. A few homeowners stayed 20, filled out the whole term of the note at 30 years. But you're going to have a minimal dent to the equity that you can build over even a 5, 7, 10-year time frame if the 50-year mortgage comes into play. So that's my take on it. I don't see a net benefit, at least at this point in time. I think it's a big risk to a home buyer. I'm always here to answer any of your real estate questions. So if it's something that you're interested in, if you are currently thinking about getting to the market and you just don't quite qualify now, something I would highly recommend to contact me about is looking at new construction. Right now, new construction across the board here in Dallas-Fort Worth at the entry-level price point, first-time home buyer, I have builders doing $220,000 for 1,400 square feet in areas like Little Elm, potentially Sherman, Anna, Princeton. And that's $220,000 for a 3-bed, 2-bath, and a 3.99 interest rate, permanent fixed for 30 years. I have other builders in areas like McKinney, Melissa, Salina. We might do a 4.99 permanent fixed rate for 30 years, and I've got homes starting at $300,000, $350,000, $500,000. So it's kind of one of those things right now that they're looking to maybe get some of the sluggishness out of the residential resale market. But if the rate ends up being the qualifying factor, we already have other loan products here in the area. The trade-off tends to be, in many cases, location versus the rate or the price. But we do have affordability coming back, especially in the new construction space. So again, this is Alex Wright with The Wright Realty Group, powered by eXp. I'm local here to the Dallas-Fort Worth area. I'd love to help you or anyone you know that's looking to relocate here, either buying or selling, or even if you're looking at a rental to explore the area. My phone number is 972-369-9865. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.